Cheryl is the owner of a commercial cleaning company called Elite Building Services. She also has recently written a book. It's called Choices Change Everything and Choose to Get Up When Life Knocks You Down. It's one thing to face adversity and challenges and pick yourself back up. But for you, it wasn't just getting back up. It's like this unbelievable, successful business that you've done.
You know, it's funny how opportunities sometimes are there that you don't see. And I was actually going to leave the job that I was in and go work for an attorney. But the current employer that I was with asked me to stay, and it was a fairly new job, and it was a receptionist at a building where they were two financial planners, and they owned the building that we were in. And so every day I would take the phone calls from the tenants in the building, and I realized that they complain about two things. They complain about the temperature of the building, and they complain about the cleaning. And I really couldn't do anything about the temperature of the building, but as I started looking into their complaints about cleaning, I happened to look at their bill one day, and I thought, wow, they billed us for an entire month and they missed several days. They didn't even come clean. So I went to the owners and I said, you can't pay them the full invoice because they missed several days. So I had a little idea one day, and I went to the two owners and I said, tell you what, I had their invoice in my hand, and I said, pay me what you pay them. I'll clean the building every night, and you'll never have any complaints. And I often joke that I also answered the phone, so I was pretty sure they wouldn't hear any of the complaints anyway.
And someone once told me, if you don't make choices for yourself, someone else will make those choices for you.